Good afternoon, everybody. We are here. We are looking very good today in terms of cryptocurrency. The weather is 68 degrees outside. It's cloudy. It's not that nice out, but we get dark, bro. F-I-R-S-T. First in the chat. What's going on? D's, how you doing, man? D's, Dark Bro, Peter, D's, Dark Bro, D's, Dark Bro, Peter, D's, Dark Bro, and Kalani. Glad to have all you guys out here right now. Let's jump in and see what we've got going on in the market because Bitcoin is back above 31,000. Bitcoin looking amazing right now. But let's take a look at AMC at the top left-hand side of the screen. We've got AMC sitting at $4.10 right now, down 1.90% on the day today, 409. Basically just sitting sideways, trying to bounce off a level of support there. The good news is it's not spiraling down out of control. Shiba Inu coin looking to retake that 800 point per coin level, sitting at 2.63% higher today and following Bitcoin. We've got GameStop in the bottom right, sitting at $23,098 at the moment, 1.40% lower. And speaking of GameStop, I don't know if you guys have seen, they get a dumb money trailer. I don't know when the trailer came out or anything. My brother sent it to me last night. I was watching that. It looks like a good movie, man. It looks like a good movie. You got that one, two, Pete Davidson is his name. He's in it. It's all about Roaring Kitty and, DFE and the GameStop thing that was going on in 2021. Maybe they'll mention AMC in there. They'll give a shout out. Who knows? But it does look like a pretty sweet movie, especially after spending so much time, talking about it and everything. It looks like it's going to be pretty good. So I'm not sure how long that trailer's been out. My brother sent it to me last night, and it does look good. NASDAQ sitting right now at $13,508, down. Sorry. It's red. Down 0.90% on the day. I was looking at this up action right here, but down 0.90% right now. AMC 409, GameStop 23.98, Dogecoin sitting at 6.7 cents, Ethereum 19.13. Oh, it is looking good. 7.99 on Shiba Inu coin, looking to break 800 points per coin there. Bitcoin, holy moly, man, breaking through 30,672. Now, does it wick up on the daily like we saw back here? Or is this a break? Oh my goodness. If this is a break, guys, I'm not going to get ahead of myself, but we could be on our way back to $35,000, $36,000 per coin. That is bull market gains. That is bull market territory. And that is a ridiculous 1 week move going from 25 to potentially breaking out of resistance, currently sitting at $31,150 per coin on Bitcoin. Very, very strong looking graph. Bitcoin says SEC who? Gary what? Yeah, dude, Bitcoin is absolutely just dominant. Mulinado sitting at $18.10, up 1.5% on the day today. Sundial sitting at $1.32, down 4.5%. The SPY down 0.5%. BBIG down 3.5%. Highcraft Mining up 1%. Netflix sitting down 0.5%. QQQ down 1% right now. We've got Ape sitting at $1.85, up $1.46. Innovic sitting at $13.60. It is bouncing off that $13 line today. Coming back up $13.60. Nice gain there. PID $17.58. And Joby sitting at $6.37. Joby pulling back pretty decent today. And if you look at the daily chart there, you can see that's not the daily, that's the hourly. If you look at the daily chart, we did not bounce off this support line. We could be coming back down to test $6 per share on Joby. So I know the Grill Invictus had it. Don't know if he still has it, but anybody else interested in Joby there, watch out for this next level of resistance or next level of support, at $6 per share. Not what I wanted to see. This is what I wanted to see right here, and click on Bitcoin. We're going to watch this bad boy rip, man. We're going to watch Bitcoin absolutely rip. Bitcoin sitting at 31,240 at the moment. Deez, thank you very much for the super chat. J Bones is in here. Yes, he is. J Bones forgot how to eat a hot dog. Why would you do that, J Bones? You dip the hot dog in your favorite dip, whatever that dip is. When you're done dipping it, you shove it. Oh, yes. J Bones, I got your hoodie ready to go. I want to know and I want to confirm with you, is red okay? The hoodie is black. Is a red bro okay, or would you prefer a different color for the bro? I actually got a black hoodie as well, and I'm thinking about doing it on mine, so I was thinking about doing it on yours. So I'm thinking about doing a red bro, just like this one, and then it's up to you. I think on mine, I may do like, and I'm not sure yet, I may just do a big Clay Bro YouTube logo on the back of mine. If you don't want to do that, absolutely, you don't have to do that. But this one, I'm thinking about doing. I got a black hoodie for myself as well. I'm thinking about doing a red bro here. And if you want one on the sleeve too, I mean, I'll do one on the sleeve to you if you want one on the sleeve. But whatever you want to do, man. It's just a basic hoodie. I like this one, and I got a black one. I'm thinking about doing red, bro. But if you want a different color, bro, just let me know, bro. And never forget how to eat a hot dog. Listen to D's, man. Take it in. Rozzy in the house, baby. What's going on, Rozzy? Glad to have you, man. Prediction from me, the pro. Bitcoin 45,000 end of year. Cycle top 75,000 August. December 2024, Bitcoin 100,000 in 2028. Samir, the good news is, nobody's going to remember your prediction for 100,000 Bitcoin in 2028. So you don't have to really worry about that. Those other prices, those are attainable. Yes, I agree with that one. So hopefully, here, Samir, let me put it this way. Hopefully those come true. But never stake your reputation on predictions, okay? Dude, you're not a psychic. Nobody else is a psychic. Stake your reputation on analysis, okay? And give some options, right? Don't ever say that Bitcoin is guaranteed or this is what it will do. I am a pro. Listen to me. Because in the off chance that something unforeseen happens, you know, it's not going to lose. So I'm just telling you right now, don't stake your reputation as a fortune teller. Just do it as an analyst, okay? Analysts are wrong every single stinking day of the week. But they're like weathermen, man. They continue to have jobs because they're just analysts. They're analyzing what is going on and what could happen, not what will happen. You're not a fortune teller. Nobody in here is a fortune teller, but that's some advice for you, man, if you want to do it. Dang, amnesia. J-Bones! Dude, amnesia sets in, but it should never set in with the hot dog, man. Any news on Binance reinstating USD deposits and withdrawals? We can look that up, Dark Bro, because I haven't read any headlines on Binance today. Bro, let me get that black hoodie. Rozzy! Oh, black hoodies for J-Bones, man. Black hoodies for J-Bones. Dark Bro, we're going to need to get an offshore debit card like Ultimo to offload our crypto. It's all right, man. Do whatever you got to do, JB. I need a white hoodie. Next level, I actually don't have any white hoodies. I would like a white hoodie, too. That'd be pretty clean, man. Hello, Chad and all. Joyce, what's going on? Chad, Clay, whatever my name is. Hello to me and hello to you as well, Joyce. Glad to have you. You're going to remember. And the bros here will remember. Yes, Samir, but I'm telling you, man, in the off chance that you are wrong, don't pound it home, man. Don't pound it home. Give us an option. Give us the opportunity for it to move. AMC posting a big old red candle. Come on, AMC. What the heck are you doing, man? Get the Federal Aviation Administration out again today. Look at Pepe now. It's on fire. Rushy, let's check out Pepe. Pepe was up to, I think, 1,500 and back down to 1,400 today. Is it ripping higher at the moment? Let's check out Pepe, ladies and gentlemen. What do we got going on in terms of Pepe here? Pepe is... It is on fire. Pepe running up to 170 points per coin. Oh my gosh, 176, $565 million, $500 million being traded over the last 24 hours, $690 million market cap, 176.5. Yes, it is ripping nicely through this little resistance line. Boom, the break takes it from 160 to a 10% gain on the day there, 176. Pepe is looking good, and if it catches fire again, man, we could be rolling even higher. So Pepe looking solid. On solid Bitcoin gains, too. The overall crypto market right now. Look at these gains, guys. Strength, man. We are seeing strength in the crypto market. So I like it. Bitcoin looking good. Shiba looking good. Pepe looking good. AMC looking bad. We've got a lot of stuff looking good out there right now. Color's good. Just a small bro in the front works. I like it. J Bones, man. So black and red, you cool with that? Good deal. I'm going to get that, and then hopefully I can get yours, and I'm going to print mine today. So I want to wear mine, dude. The one I got, it's a slightly different quality than the one you got. I wanted to test it out, but I do like the medium I got. The one that you got is just like a normal zip-up hoodie. It's absolutely nothing wrong with it. But the medium that I got is actually a decent quality, so I might try to buy some more of those for the bros as well. But yeah, dude, we'll be rocking basically the same hoodie, J-Bones. I like it, man. See, the thing with analysis is that probabilities change based on circumstances. That's why they're called analysts. They're possibilities based off outcomes that are current or could become a reality. Yeah, Dark Bro, man, isn't it just lovely when an input changes, all of the outputs can change? So an unforeseen circumstance can cause that input to change, allowing the outcome to change as well. If you are a fortune teller, however, you either got to be extremely vague as a fortune teller. I see that the price will change sometime in the future, near or far. Very similar to Shitoshi, right? Just throw out some riddles, and then when it comes to B, whatever happens, somebody's going to be able to make that fit the narrative that you gave them. So if you're going to be a fortune teller like Samir, be a little bit more vague than Samir is being. He's being extremely, I guess, clear in his vision there. You want to make it a little bit more opaque than that? A little bit more because opaque, you could definitely see it. Transparent might be, but transparent equals clarity. So whatever you're supposed to be saying in that situation there, do the opposite. Be vague, okay? Whether vague means opaque or vague means transparent in that situation, I do not know. Be that way. Let's see. I get an email from Binance US, and they should be back to normal on USD withdrawals in 5 days. The franchise, good deal. I do have an account with them. I don't have anything deposited on it, though. I do have an account with them, but it may have gotten lost in the emails, man. I get a lot of emails. I hope so, next. That's my highest investment. D's next. Miss something Shib going to shock the doubters. I absolutely hope so, next level. Look, man, I think crypto is going to shock the doubters. I really do. I think crypto is going to shock the doubters, but after we get some guidelines, after we get this bull run started, okay? And Bitcoin's shocking me right now. Like, I'm not doubting Bitcoin. I'm doubting who's going to come out as industry leaders. And I think they're paving the way for BlackRock and Citadel, right? We've seen all of the corruption already. We know that there's corruption there. So I think they're paving the way for BlackRock and Citadel to kind of be industry leaders, kill off CZ, Binance, kill off Brian Armstrong and Coinbase. Didn't they already get rid of the Cashapp CEO? Like, get rid of all of these guys and let the guys who are already in the mafia continue to run the game. I'm predicting Shib will eat a 0 next week, but it's just me. Joyce, that's not an impossibility. So where we are right now, sorry guys, I can clear my throat. Hold on. That's not an impossibility. That's only a 25% gain from where we are right now. Shiba Inu coin can move 25% in a single day. So if Bitcoin continues to recover, I think that Shiba Inu coin can continue to recover and do nice. Franchise, bro. When did you get that? Something the franchise. I got an. Oh, sorry, 5 days ago he said, right? Or withdraw in 5 days. That's what he said, not 5 days ago, because I haven't been buying any BNB coins because of that. Mainly, I'm curious about buying with US dollars on Binance US, and then obviously being able to cash out. Jimmy Squeeze still a thing? Okay, let me say this. All right, let me show you guys this. I gotta pull this up here. Hold on. All right, I don't know if you guys have seen this yet. I am not going to play this. This trailer was released a day ago, and it's got 4.2 million views already. It's a pretty exciting trailer. I've got to give them credit. They look like they did very well on this. Okay? And, hold on, let's see here. Where are we going? This, right here. I'm not going to play it. I don't want to get any monetization problems or anything like that. But you guys should go watch this, okay? Dumb Money official trailer. It does look like a very good movie, and basically what we all lived for, a year and a half. And it's all about GameStop. They don't mention AMC in it anywhere. And I'll say this, okay? I don't know if that movie is going to have, and I don't know their intentions behind it, but that movie it's looking very good for GameStop. It's going to get people hyped up about these types of meme stock movements and Roaring Kitty and everything that he did. And people are going to idolize that a little bit. And I don't know, JB, if that's going to kind of bring things full circle and you get that type of a movement and you get people excited and ready to go once again. Because I watched the trailer twice and I did get excited, man. I was reminiscing on all of the glory days when everybody was out there, you know, calling me a shill, ready to go, man, just to take on the hedge funds. And that was electric. That type of feeling was electric. And it reminded me of why everybody began sharing and everybody began getting on board with that type of a movement in the first place. I don't know their intentions. I don't know the release date. I don't know anything like that. But I do know if that sparks a little bit of a reminiscing in everybody that was on board AMC and GameStop before, dude, I'm not saying that the GameStop short squeeze is still a thing or the AMC stock, the short squeeze is still a thing. But, dude, if we get some players back in the game and people really get excited once again, that's the type of action that drove prices in the first place. That's the type of action that can drive prices again. For a playing through, step aside, baby. Moji, what's going on, man? Any thoughts on why Voyager hasn't enabled withdrawals? Kalido, no, not necessarily. I'm literally waiting for the day it's possible. I'm not gonna like cash that stuff out or accept the check or anything. The moment that it is possible, it will be off of Voyager's platform, just in case they don't allow it to wait any longer. I don't know if it's a technical issue. I don't know if they're waiting on court approval. I don't know if somebody's just gotta, waiting there to click a button and allow it. I don't know why it's not available for withdrawal yet. Personally, dude, I think that they are. I think that they should be held criminally liable, not just civilly liable, with everything that they've done. So, yeah, I don't like Voyager. Mo, I can't hit a golf ball straight to save my life, so props to you. Next level, man. I'm on board with you on that one. Bitcoin to the moon. Watch this move Bitcoin to 40,000. Rudzino, man. I hope so, but my next stop, okay, 36,000. I think we get held up in the 36,000 range for a while if we're able to break back out and get that high. Probably already talked about it, but if Lunk gets repegged, does that mean the price shoots up to $1? Or is it more just bullish news that could result in a higher price? So, Robert, they're not trying to repeg Lunk. They're trying to repeg USTC. So Terra Luna Classic was actually once at $100 per coin. It won't reach that level, but at that level, it was like a $40 billion valuation. So we could see Terra Luna Classic, if everything is restored to its old glory days, the price will be lower, but we could still get back to an 80x increase to like a $40 billion valuation if everything is the same as it was before. What they want to repeg is USTC. And yes, that will take USTC from the current price of maybe 2 cents. Let's see where USTC is right now. All the way back up to $1. It's at 1.2 cents. So USTC is currently at 1 cent. If the repeg proposal works, I don't know how long it's going to take, but it would take this coin right here from 1.2 cents to $1 in value. That's the one that will be pegged to that dollar mark or pegged to a certain, cent mark. And Terra Luna Classic would gain in value because of that. Freaking out over the 1 minute ticks. Good times, man. JB, it was good times, man. It was good times. And everybody really did get excited over 1 minute ticks, man. It was exciting, I gotta say. Hello from Czech Republic to all the bros here. Market pumping nice. Motivation king. Cryptocurrency is looking very good today. I got to agree with you on that one. Kid Mosif got some skills. Mosif does have some skills when it comes to a golf course, dude. I can't even hit a hole-in-one on a putt-putt course, and this dude's over there hitting hole-in-ones on real golf courses. Yeah, I was curious because I have an email set up for them, but I haven't received one. Interesting. Dark Bro. I don't know, man. I may have gotten the same email, but like I say, I haven't checked through to see if Binance US anything. Ryoshi, Setshi, who are they? Well, Gary Gins on the SEC bring them out of the woodwork for a tell-all chance in court just to see who their identity really is. No. Mr. Bryan, I don't see so. I don't even think it's possible, right? You can't sue somebody if they theoretically don't exist, right? Let's think about that. I don't know. Think of a fictitious character right now. Like, we couldn't go out and sue Iron Man. We couldn't go out and sue Spider-Man. How could we go out and sue the creator of Bitcoin? Impossible, right? They don't actually exist. They're just stories. So how do you actually sue somebody that doesn't exist? I don't even think they can bring them into court if they wanted to. Let's see. Oh, well, it's very interesting. Too risky for me, but very interesting. Yeah, Rob, man. I don't own any USTC, so I'm not terribly concerned about whether or not they repeg it or just fork it off and start a new stable coin. But I think a stable coin would be beneficial for the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. So, Clay, if XRP wins at, wins at hit 900 million per day in market transactions, what will that do to its price? Mr. Bryan, man, my best guess is that an XRP or Ripple win is simply going to restore the confidence that it once had. So XRP and Ripple have continued working and continued growing their business during all of this turbulence with the SEC. If they do end up winning, I see a couple results. Number one, I believe their value could be restored to what it was before the lawsuit was ever even announced, and I believe that we could see prices $1, $2, $3 once again. Now, keep in mind that it was doing very, very well and soaring up to $3 during the 2017 frenzy when everybody was wanting to get their hands on some crypto. Bitcoin, man, Bitcoin taking a little tumble there. I can see, let me zoom in a little bit on that chart so you guys can see it a little better. But Bitcoin posting a purple line right here, come back down just slightly. Another thing, though, if Ripple wins, it's going to lend support to Binance, to Coinbase, to any other cryptocurrency that is being sued by the SEC. And if Ripple wins, I believe it could have a huge, watch what I do here, ripple effect across the entire cryptocurrency industry, meaning that we could see, massive gains just across the board. So I am actually very excited about the Ripple lawsuit there. I am Ryoshi. Next level. Yes, man. We technically all are Ryoshi. I agree with that part because there's no single Ryoshi. What stock app for my iPhone is good? I want to make sure the company doesn't own the stocks like the crypto platforms do. Doesn't own the stocks. There is a specific stock I want to buy. No, Avery, you're right. So there are several different brokers, okay? And you can choose the one that's best for you. But the thing about a stock, okay, let me put it this way. When you buy that stock, you are the owner of that stock. But, and this might get a little technical, and if you're brand new to investing, don't worry too much about this. When you're buying from a broker, what happens is because you are able to sell it so quickly, all you do is click a button. You are not the direct registered owner. Weeble's name or Robinhood's name or Fidelity or Schwab or whatever broker you use, their name is still registered with the company as the owner, but you are the street owner or you are the secondary owner of that share. You're basically, you have the control. You get the voting rights. You get all of that. You're just not the direct registered owner. Unless, of course, you have, let's say AMC is the stock you want. If you have AMC, send you an actual certificate that you are the owner. But then If you want to sell it, you know, it's a huge hassle. You got to go register with AMC. You got to find somebody to buy your certificate and all of that. So everybody that owns stocks through brokers for the most part. I say everybody, but it's probably like 99.9999%. So any of these brokers, they're not going to screw you over like if the exchange goes bust or whatever. You're still the owner of that stock. Now, in terms of figuring out which broker is best for you, the what you see in the background right now is Webull. I think that they are extremely simple to use, and I like them better than Robinhood. If you do want to use Webull or Robinhood or whatever, there's a lot of brokers down in the description of the live stream and of all the videos. You can absolutely download those apps. You're going to get some free stocks for doing so if you make deposits and so on. But use the affiliate link because you're going to get something. If your friend has an affiliate link, use his link. Use somebody's link because you and your friend will benefit, or you and me will benefit. But what I would do, I would just download, you know, you can go on and do some research if you want. NerdWallet always writes good articles on the best brokers and stuff like that. But download them for yourself, man. You know, if you want to see what Robinhood looks like, you don't actually have to go out there and deposit money and make your investments to see what their platform looks like. You don't actually have to go out and make a deposit yet on Webull if you just want to see what their platform looks like. So I do prefer Webull. I think it's very simple to use. I think they've got excellent options. They've got excellent charting technology. You can go in there. They've got AI that generates bullish and bearish patterns. They've got a lot of stuff on the Webull platform, and I do trust them. I've got an affiliate link for them. But like I say, man, whichever one you think, all you're going to be seeing a difference in is like user interface. Whichever colors you like, whichever way you like to click around on the buttons, whatever you feel comfortable with in that one. Let's see. Pepe Coin never gets to 10 cents. NXC, probably not 10 cents. We can talk about that in a couple seconds here. I want to see my birthday is Monday. I get to spend with my bros. That's what I'm talking about, Dark Bro. We're going to be singing happy birthday to you. Oh, yes. How can I invest with a company that gives me ownership? I own stocks that I bought direct on the over-the-counter market issued from the company. How can I invest with a company that gives me ownership? What do you mean, Avery? What do you mean? So do you want them to actually issue you the shares? Like a certificate that says you own it? Or you're simply saying that you want to have ownership, voting rights, and so on? Because, you know, like I own AMC. Anytime there's something to vote on, I get an email. I can voice my opinion on which direction I think AMC should go. So you still get that ownership, even though you're holding it on a brokerage. Pick up power. You owe someone a mustache sticker. Pudgy, do I owe somebody a mustache sticker? Is this true? Somebody let me know if I owe somebody a mustache sticker. Pick up power. Thank you very much. Oh, is this for Moji or who's this for? For Moji, have fun golfing. Yes, Moji. This one's for you, man. Oh my gosh, Pika, thank you very much for the superhero super sticker. Moji, man, hopefully you saw that. And I didn't interrupt your swing, and you didn't hit it into a sand trap, and you're not breaking your club over your knee right now. Pika, thank you very much for that super chat. I love it. Since you think 5 is 10, yes, I do owe somebody a mustache. Who is it? Who do I owe it to? Because I'll give it to him if I owe it to him. Yes, it's true from yesterday. Man, well, I guess I owe him another mustache. Who is it for? We got to make sure they're here in the chat. I'll click on a faint one day. You know what? Next level, I very well may. I feel it. Thanks, Pika. Fly, Clay, fly, Moji. I was flying, soaring, flying. I was doing it all for Moji. Doing it all for Moji. Moji needs a dark bro needs a happy early. Ooh, we got it, man. Coin Bros Peach from OG, loving it, D's, and we've got a little happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, early birthday, dear Dark Bro, happy early birthday to you, Dark Bro, man, happy early birthday to you. We're gonna be celebrating on Monday. Oh yes, I love it. D's, man, thank you very much for the peach, thank you very much for the happy birthday to Dark Bro, and we are looking good today. Hope everybody is doing well today. God bless all of you. Thanks, Clay, for another great day. Johnstontown, you are welcome, man. Thank you very much for the positive words, for being in here, and always keeping the chat laughing, man. I love it. Pepe, have fun and enjoy. Yes, do it. Thanks, Mr. Brian. Absolutely. See you later. Pika, enjoy your day, just like Mr. Brian said, but I'm going to say it too. And don't scare any of the other people off, Pika. Don't scare them off. We need to keep these people around. BRB, Pudgy, come on back, man. And let me know who I owe that mustache to, please. Somebody tell me who I owe it to. I love y'all, bros. Absolutely, D's. Love you guys as well. Somebody asked if Pepe can reach 10 cents. Right off the bat, I'm going to say no, okay? Pepe in its current state cannot, will not, won't reach 10 cents. Why do I say that? Let's go look at it real quick. Coming out here to coin market cap, we can see that Pepe is currently sitting at 173 points per coin. Very nice gain on the day today, 6.81% higher. But its market cap is $679 million, and the total outstanding supply is roughly 400 trillion coins. You know, since Shiba Inu coin and SafeMoon and some of these guys came onto the scene with their just wildly outlandish number of coins outstanding, people don't really comprehend how much a trillion is, let alone 300, 400, 500 trillion, or a quadrillion. These numbers, they're not incomprehensible, but it's almost like we're so used to just saying them that people don't take the time to comprehend what they actually mean. Now, if Pepe were to reach 10 cents, we would be looking at a $39 trillion valuation. Now, to put that in perspective, $39 trillion is just shy of the entire stock market combined. So every single company that trades on the stock market doesn't reach that $39 trillion valuation. How or why would we expect Pepe to be worth every single publicly traded company? I wouldn't. If you would, okay, great. But here's the thing that you have to remember. You've got to have the money that justifies that price point. So you could, in theory, create a liquidity pool or something where I guess a tenth of the supply is in the liquidity pool, and because you have a massive amount of money in the liquidity pool, it alters the market cap a little bit. But once you go to sell it or cash out at that point, it's not going to happen. So you would need trillions of dollars to flow, not just into crypto, but into Pepe. And where do we find the trillions of dollars? We don't have those trillions of dollars. Do we print them? Does every company in the world just go bankrupt and all of that money flows into Pepe? Do we borrow against all of the dollars that are out there and put them into Pepe? Like, it's just not feasible to see single coins reaching 30, 40, 100 trillion dollar valuations when that kind of money doesn't exist yet. I say yet because we know that Jerome Powell loves his little money printer, and Jerome Powell can be printing money for the rest of eternity, and then we will have trillions of dollars. What's a realistic price map for Shib? Avery, anything that we have seen before is realistic because obviously it was a reality. So for Shiba Inu coin, during a confident bull market, I believe that we could see the same valuations that we have seen prior, the 8,800 points per coin and so on. But I do believe we can get even further than that in the next bull market if we have regulatory guidelines and clarity. if we have institutional money flowing in, if the people who thought that they had missed out before are now jumping on board. So I wouldn't expect prices like a penny right now, where you'd be sporting trillion-dollar valuations. But absolutely, man, tens of billions, if not into the hundreds of billions, should be possible. At least possible. Not guaranteed or anything, but why couldn't we have select coins representing $100+ billion valuations? There's enough money for that. We could do that. I did live chat replay. It was a Kombu mustache sticker. Well, is Kombu in here? Yes, we've got it. Kombu, thank you very much for the thank you, Kombu, for the mustache. I don't know when I missed it, but thank you very much, Kombu. Thank you, Kombu, man. Thank you very much for the mustache. Pudgy, thank you very much for going back and seeing who sent it. Appreciate that, man. They are in here right now. Kombu getting that mustache looking good, man. Looking good. Rozzy, thank you very much for 5 green names, baby. Rozzy turning everybody in here green. Harris got a green name. Johan got a green name. SD got a green name. Boomstick got a green name. And Hemi Life got a green name. Rozzy, man, thank you very much for all of those green names. If you guys got one, please say thank you to Rozzy. Even if you didn't get one, you know what to do. You know what to do, guys. Send a thank you out to Rozzy right now, because Rozzy... Oh my gosh, Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. I didn't miss that one, Dark Bro. You're just messing with me now. Dark Bro, thank you very much. And Rozzy, yes, man, guys, throw those thank yous out to Rozzy. This is not a drill. He sent across 5 memberships. Please, thank you. Please, thank you. Send those thank yous across to Rozzy right now. Rozzy, the absolute man, dude. Let's see, Avery says, I want to make sure if I buy a stock on a trading app that if the company goes bankrupt, I still own the stock and can access it easily. I couldn't figure out how to buy the stock I want, company direct. What is the formula you use to understand what the valuation would be for the price to be a certain amount? Oh, so Avery, if you want to understand market cap, right, you would simply multiply the price by the total coins outstanding, or multiply the price by the total shares outstanding if you're talking about a company. So total valuation simply equals the price times total coins outstanding, or price times total shares outstanding. Also, so Webull does not necessarily have a lot of over-the-counter stocks traded. You may want to look at something like Fidelity or Charles Schwab if you're looking at buying, and I'm sure there's others, okay? You could Google which brokers have the largest list of over-the-counter stocks tradable. Webull does not have a very large list there. However, if you buy a company and they go bankrupt or they get delisted, Webull will, in most cases, still allow you to hold that stock in your portfolio. They will not likely allow you to buy more, but they will allow you to sell. So if you look at, if you look at Bed Bath & Beyond, for example, I'm pretty sure Bed Bath & Beyond has been delisted, but you can still trade Bed Bath & Beyond on the Webull platform. However, if you're looking at a lot of these penny stocks that are like a half a penny and so on that have been delisted, they're over-the-counter stocks, you may need to look at Fidelity. You may need to look at a different broker. If you own them and they go bankrupt, or if you own them and they delist, Webull will still allow you to hold them, and they will allow you to sell them. You just won't be able to buy them. You can't trade them at that point, buying and selling. Welcome, new bros. Dad, Dark Bet, bro. Yes, man. Rozzy, bro. If you would like a green name gifted, make sure you can accept gifts. Listen to DD214, yes, guys, because we've only got one gray name in the chat right now. It is Pepe Barato. What's going on, Pepe Barato? Hi, Clay from Spain. Hello, Pepe from. Is your name really Pepe, or you just really like the coin Pepe? Hello, Pepe, from Ohio. Rozzy showing the bro love. Rozzy is showing the bro love, man. Rozzy, once again, thank you times 5, man. AMC in the top left-hand side, guys, sitting at $4 and what, 8 cents? $4.06 right now. AMC down all day today. Down. AMC pulling back a little bit. Bitcoin pulling back a little bit. Shiba Inu coin pulling back to that 800 point per coin mark. GameStop sitting at 24.06. We've got our action. The question is, when will it take off? AMC barcoding is something that you are not likely or weren't likely to see at any given time prior. AMC barcoding to me is just strange to see that. 38,000 Bitcoin coming in. Let's get it, Harris. I hope so, man. I'm saying we might get caught up at 36 before we make it all the way to 38. Smash the like at 8th. Listen, smash the like button for all of you guys. Welcome, Pepe from Spain. Yes, for years I used the name Pepe Barato. Very nice, Pepe Barato. I like it, man. It's a good name. It really is. So, yeah, maybe you might not. Your name is Pepe. You just might not like the coin. I don't know if you like Pepe the coin or not. Lemon Bro. Boom. Welcome, Pepe from Spain. Mr. Brian, thank you for welcoming him. Moji! Yes! I don't know if Peek is still in here or not, but you guys know what to do. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 peek, la pika 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 peek, la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 peek, la pika 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 peek, la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 peek. La pika 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 peek. You guys better do it with me. This is the last time. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 peek, la pika 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 peek. Yeah, man. If you guys aren't doing that, man, you're not having a good day. You cannot have a bad day and do the la pika pika. Ever. OG LPD Pete. You guys remember LPD Pete? I don't know where that guy's at, Pete. We miss you, man. But, yeah, guys. La Pika Pika. I love it. So if Shitoshi doesn't own Shibarium, then why was he trying to control any news about it or its release time if another company owns and is developing it? Because, Matthew. Man, what's the best way to word this? You know when you could have like an abusive communication with somebody where they tell you almost like, I don't even know if you can use communist on YouTube, but you know when like the state owns the media, or when you only allow, like China for example, they don't allow people to have YouTube channels and to promote their own news and hear different sides of stories there. It's only what one person, and I say one person, but it's the government there. It's only what one entity allows to be dispersed. That is the type of control that Shitoshi wants and wanted over the Shiba Inu coin community. Now, of course, I don't know why people kind of flock to that and why people believe it, but Shitoshi is not a developer. But everybody calls him a developer. He is basically a project developer or a business developer or a project manager, right? Maybe you guys have a project manager at work. I don't know. Somebody who might be in charge of scheduling and coordinating and making sure that things get done and stuff like that. Shitoshi is not an actual developer. He's a business developer. He's out there trying to create businesses around Shiba Inu coin. But everybody mentioning him as developer, everybody looking to him as leader, it created this persona that whatever he says goes, and people believe that. So you say why? Why was he trying to control it? Why was he? I don't know the why. I don't know that part. I will never be able to understand people's intentions. I can understand my intentions, okay? If I were to do that, and I wanted that type of control around information, it would simply because I would only want my narrative pushed so that I could build, potentially, right, in my situation, as much wealth for me as possible. And that may be what he wanted. But it's about control, okay? If you can control it, you can theoretically do whatever you want with it. That's my best guess. I have no idea what Shitoshi thinks. I don't know who Shitoshi is, anything like that. The best I can ever get into somebody else's brain is in my own brain. Looking to $1. Let's get it, Squiggles. Come on now. Yes, I do like the coin, but just to play around. There you go, Pepe. Good deal, man. Smasheth the liketh button. Listen to Gorilla, man. Grotto will meet us at the grotto for lunch. Let's go, man. Yo, Tony Kombu, how you doing? Thanks, Rozzy. Boomsticks, paying attention, but a little late on that one. Internet connection today. Tony, it's terrible, isn't it? It's because Shitoshi's a little whoop. He might be. Dark Bro, we don't know. But hey, you know what? Shitoshi, he might be a little bit of a Riddler, right? But we don't know the guy. I mean, he might be a cool guy that just caves under pressure. I don't know. Shitoshi's a hype man. Yeah, Pudgy. I mean, that's kind of the way it is. Shitoshi is a hype man. And look, I understand that people got their frustrations and stuff. Can we really hate on Shitoshi when we don't even know who he is? Like, he's got 1 million people looking at him and 1 million people wanting him to make magic happen. And he knows that he can't make magic happen, but he's doing a lot. So, yes, I am very critical. Yes, I am very skeptical. Yes, I think that he's got some selfish intentions, but I mean, who the heck knows who he is, dude? Am I going to sit here and hate on a 23-year-old kid that somehow found themselves in the limelight of a Shiba Inu coin ecosystem? Like, dude, come on, man. What kind of a guy would I be if I'm sitting here making fun of some kid for getting himself into a situation that he didn't necessarily ever see himself in? I'd be a pretty lame dude at that point, but I will be critical all the time. Just want to be like too harsh. Harrit, spit 38,000. Hopefully, maybe in a few weeks, Mr. Brian. I would love it, dude. So do you think people who did buy Bone will see some profit when Shibarium goes live? I bought some a while back. I just don't know if I'll see price close to BN. Okay, so I don't think it's going to see prices close to BNB. I don't think you're going to see $200, $300, $400, $500 price points on Bone. I don't think it goes that high. However, yeah, I do think that when Shibarium is released, you could see even better price action than we saw when the Shibarium testnet was released. So all of that hype around the testnet caused Bone to go from a low of like 30, 33 cents to a high of a little above $2. That's because people were excited. But, like we said, they soon realized that they don't need any Bone. This isn't yet creating any value for Bone. It might be years down the road before we see the testnet or the mainnet release and actual utility for Bone created. So I do think that when Shibarium actually comes out, you're going to have that initial hype again. May drive it back up to $1.50, $2, $3 per coin. But then it's all going to depend. So BNB, man, you've got a lot of utility and a lot of users for BNB, Binance Smart Chain coins, and stuff like that. When it comes to Shibarium, it is so cheap to use that I mean, one bone could last you, based on the numbers we're seeing, thousands of transactions. So I don't know how much Bone you are absolutely going to need to use Shibarium, but if there's businesses building and the metaverse becomes huge, if Shibarium does reach the expectations of people like Shitoshi, then yeah, you're going to see a decent increase in the price of Bone and decent utility about it. Got an email about it, so I came as soon as I noticed. Boomstick, I love it, man. Rozzy, thank you very much if you're still in here. Boomstick coming when he got that email. I love it, man. Rozzy's bro. Rozzy's green name brings all the boys to the yard. And Boomstick's like, it's better than yours. Darn right, it's better than yours. Because a Boomstick, it's better than yours. Nice. What's your thoughts on VTHO? Let's check it out. Is that a stock or a crypto? VTHO. Must be a crypto. All right, let's look at, Bitcoin. Can't hold it down too long, man. Bitcoin turning that green candle once again. VTHO. VTHOR token. Let's check this out. Once again, man, a lot of these little guys, I don't know what they're doing. And what their intentions are. Volume is decent, but it is drastically higher volume today, probably because of the 18% gain. So they're trading at a tenth of a cent, $78 million market cap. Not bad. That's definitely not low, but you still got a lot of potential there. So I do like this, okay? I like the fact that they have been around for a very long time. They were here during 2018, and they had a very rough go of it, possibly because of introducing more and more tokens. I don't know the answer. Bull market activity, man, takes it from 3 zeros into 2 all the way up to 2 cents. They burned 2 zeros. They 100x gained during that bull market in April, May of 2021. Now, since then, they've been sitting sideways at 2 zeros. They've lost 90% of their value. They could absolutely continue down even further, getting back to 3 zeros, and you could see another huge decline. But it seems like they've got some very strong support in these 2 to 3 zero areas right here. 2 zeros and a 1, 3 zeros and a 9. And if that support holds up, dude, I would hope to see the same type of action during the next bull market. Is it going to be a 100x gain? Maybe not. But could it be a 10x gain? Absolutely. So 10x gain can take you back up to the all-time highs there. And a 10x gain, man, I mean, nobody's going to cry about a 10x gain. I think you'd be phenomenal on that one. Let's see. I'm really contemplating selling most crypto and getting into Bitcoin. It seems like so yes, Mr. Brian, let me say this, okay? I'm with you right now. I do think that Bitcoin at the moment is the juggernaut. I think it will always be the juggernaut. And I do think that Bitcoin is most likely to be able to shake off all of the nonsense. So if the SEC continues to come against cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin probably has the biggest chance of survival and the biggest chance of thrival, if that's a word. So I 100% agree with you. However, right now, because all of the altcoins are lesser in value, they're a little bit scared, and people do share your mentality that they're flocking into Bitcoin. We are seeing Bitcoin outpace the rest of the market. What we have and will most likely always see during bull markets is altcoins outpacing Bitcoin. So if you're cool with doubling or tripling or potentially quadrupling or more your money in Bitcoin, awesome, man. I think it's a little bit safer, and I think you're going to make some good money doing it. But if you're looking at 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 500,000x potential gains, you almost have to go into altcoins. You almost have to go into these tiny cap coins and take a chance on it. So I think that you are 100% correct in your mentality, but when a bull market does return, I think that the altcoins will outpace the Bitcoin there. Missing in Shib ecosystem, but I think it's all hype. Was late to the party. Yeah, Tony D, man, I do think that it is a lot of hype, man. With Shib development team developed a better game. It was kind of lame. Roulette wheel. I agree. Here's my thoughts, though. I think that they're going to try and bombard the Shiba Inu coin community with anything and everything right now. I think it's a bit of a scramble when you're starting to make checkers sets and chess sets and so on, and stuffed animals and action figures and stuff like that. I think it's a bit of a scramble. And I think it's not necessarily a money grab, but I think that they're just trying to hit it from every direction right now. And it seems a bit scrambling. Dang, Clay, just sing my favorite song. Just messed up my backdrop in it and bringing the milkshake to the yard. Well, you know what, Mr. Brian? Get your back in line. You're going to be good. Let's see, I'm good on Bone. I swapped half my shit when Bone was 30 cents and still have a decent bag. Just tired of soon and now treat. Yeah, Tony D, I feel you on that one. Kristen, 1 month membership, loving it. Let's see, CB, are you into NFTs? I think that's Clay Rowe. We love to have you in Lunk Penguins. Kristen, I've never really bought any NFTs or anything. I'm not huge into NFTs. I do know that, look, Lunk Penguins, man, they've got something decent going on, and they've been in it for what, like nearly a year, right? So, dude, you can talk about Lunk Penguins anytime you want on here. I don't mind. I think that Lunk Penguins, they've got the staying power, right? And as long as you're not out there trying to just scam and rug pull, you guys can talk about Lunk Penguins any and every day. I'm just not huge into NFTs, right? I think Shib has been a safe haven for whales, and wonder how retail is going to fare. Yeah, Tony D, man. So whales do seem to really lock into the volatility of Shiba Inu coin, and it makes sense, though, because if you can look at Shiba Inu coin and the fact that it just needs to get back up to 1,000 points per coin, you're going to see a 25% gain. Dude, somebody who buys $10 million worth is going to see $2.5 million in profit. Like, that is nuts, man. That is nuts. $2.5 million in profit just to get back up to 1,000 points per coin is crazy. Super innovative minting process, lots of utilities, staking rewards, adding USTC airdrops, mobile game and development, Penguin Island and Exodus coming, and awesome art. Yeah, Kristen, no, I've seen some of their stuff on Twitter. It does look pretty good. I don't have any. If anybody wants to buy some in here, absolutely. But I'm not huge in the NFT game, and my gosh, dude, I'm gonna rip my nose off in a second here. No, I've seen a lot of Lunk Penguin stuff scrolling through the Lunk Twitter feed. I've actually been here way longer than a month, but membership lapses. Yeah, Kristen. I know you've been here longer than a month, but it does say 1 month, so I had to read what it said there. SEC just approved the first leveraged ETF. Johnny. Interesting. They're allowing leveraged ETFs for Bitcoin now? Is that what we're saying? Who's the manager of that ETF? Is it a Fidelity ETF, a BlackRock ETF? We got a Vanguard ETF. Who's the manager for that ETF out there? It's interesting that at this time they would be approving ETFs that allow leverage trading on Bitcoin or even leverage trading on Ethereum when they're giving the crypto industry such a hard time. Have a great lunch, everybody. Moji, you as well, man. We still got 3 minutes left. But Moji, I feel it. You're going to hit another hole in two today. You're going to hit a nice hole in two. It's going to be a beautiful one. Beautiful one, Moji. You got this. Congratulations, Kristen's D's. Absolutely. No 3-putt bones. Yeah, no 3-putts bones. Congrats, Kristen. Yes. Just trying to get more exposure outside of Twitter. No, Kristen, absolutely. I feel you on that. And I have seen a lot of posts on Twitter about Lunk Penguins. So I've never really seen any major complaints. So yeah, if you guys want to check out Lunk Penguins, absolutely check them out. Got to go have a lunch break. Oh, lunch break over. Catch up with you guys in the PM. Kristen, enjoy it. And hopefully you had a very good lunch. And we will see you in the afternoon stream. Hello, everybody. What's going on? Whit Reed. I've been missing everything. Working too much. Whit Reed, dude, don't work your life away, man. It's going to be all right. Come hang out with the bros. We're only going to be here for another 2 minutes. But definitely, Whit Reed, come hang out in the afternoon live stream today before your beautiful weekend starts. Later, bros. Got to get some housework done. See you all this afternoon. Dark, bro, enjoy your afternoon as well. It's still pretty early for you, man. So I don't know if you're getting ready to eat breakfast, if you're getting ready to eat lunch, but enjoy it if you do. Hopefully it tastes delicious. I heard they get denied for the ETF approval. Possibly these. I haven't looked into it. I'm not trying to look any headlines up on it. Are you talking about the leveraged ETF approval, or are you talking about the Fidelity ETF? Let's see, Matthew, that's exactly what I think Shiba Inu whales need to do in order for it to more than 3x. Matthew buying in. I might have missed what Matthew said somewhere. But, look, I do believe that Shiba Inu coin can not easily 3x, but the major pain point for resistance is 3,500 points per coin. So you'd be looking at a 4, I mean, if it drops back down a little bit, to potentially 5x, somewhere in between there, gain before Shib really reaches those levels of resistance that it failed at before. So 3,500 points per coin on Shiba is a major level to watch out for. How long you guys think before there's a I Survived Pika's job training support group? Pudgy, probably only a week, man, because it seems like people are dropping off. It seems like people are dropping off to me. Hairstyle hydration. I'm going to grab some coffee at the end of the live stream. Hope you all have an awesome day. Mr. Brian, I hope you have an awesome day as well, and I do hope to see you during the afternoon stream. It is 1 o'clock, though, guys. Go get some lunch. Go get some work done. Go do all of that good stuff. Drink something. J-Bones, baby. I gotcha, man. Thank you very much for the authorized. Hydration. Absolutely appreciate that super chat. Get the names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout out. J-Bones, thank you very much for that. I did need to drink something, man. You guys don't let me drink anymore. Without Pat here, everybody forgets to hydrate me. Kristen, enjoy your afternoon. Enjoy your, well, you already had lunch. Whitreed, Pudgy, man, see you later. Dark Bro, D's, enjoy it. Mr. Brian, D's, see you later. Pudgy, see you later. Mr. Brian, J-Bones, baby, thank you very much for the super chat. Mr. Brian, enjoy your afternoon. Matthew, see you later. D's, Brandon, Lemonlust, Mr. Brian, Old Rounder, adios to you. Rozzy, if you're still in here, thank you very much for those 5 green names. Hopefully everybody said thank you to you. And you brought some people back to the game today. Pudgy says, peace out of the Diamond-Handed King Turkeys. Absolutely. D214, man. Lemon, see you later. D's, Gorilla, D's, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. D's, thank you very much for the super chat. D says, love you, bros. We know what D's love you too, man. D's, thank you very much. It was on time. I got to give it to him. It was on time, so I'm coming back for that one. Sorry if D's got an ad because I did click the ad right there before we ended the live stream. But D's, man, absolutely appreciate it. Pudgy, peace out of the Diamond-Handed Apes. Baby Tony D, Old Rounder, Lemon Lust, D's, J-Bones, all of you guys. I think you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.